Learn how to create, edit, and manage an employee's contract, including setting salary details, allowances, and contract status. Start by selecting the employee whose contract you want to manage from the directory. Click on Contract to view the contracts related to the employee. Click the Create button to add a new employment contract for this employee. Fill the reference for the contract of the employee. Set the contract end date. Select the salary structure for the employee. Select the contract type. Select the HR responsible for the employee. Select the salary journal to handle the salary transaction. Fill the contract details to review or enter essential contract information. Click the salary information to access the details of salary. Enter the employee's monthly wage to define their compensation. Enter the house rent allowance if required. Enter the dearness allowance if required. Enter travel allowance if required. Enter meal allowance if needed. Enter medical allowance if needed. Enter other allowance if needed. Click the Save icon to securely store all contract details and updates. The status of the contract shows new. Click the running stage to make the contract in running stage. Click on Expired if contract is expired. Click on Canceled stage if the contract is canceled. When the stage is changed, the status is changed accordingly.